Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee Mpcc के President K.Meghachandra Luchingduna Ukhrul District की Tongan Tonganba Village Mangada ngasi MGNREGA BACHAO SANGRAM की KHONGJANG CHANGSINKHRE Ukhrul District की Chingai Block Congress Committee na sinduna Kharasi Kharaso Village Chingjaurok Village Chingjaurok Kunau Village amasung Pe Pohi Village ta pangthokpa MGNREGA BACHAO SANGRAM aduna saruk yaraduna MPCC के President K.Meghachandra hai kibada khungang gi miyam da chahi amada numit chama hena thabak piriba miyam da kana ba piriba MGNREGA bu biksit wara jiramji haina maming onthoktuna amadi hana center na chada maudragi senthang putoktuna miyam da kana ba piramba du hojik na state na chada 90% puthokadabani haina semdok pasi maram jade hairiba MGNREGA asi repeal tawgadabani haina All India Congress Committee na Varat Pumbada Chathariba MGNREGA BACHAO SANGRAM asi miyam na saukat minase haiba wafam phongdoki MPCC President Ginchadda Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee ke General Secretary Soibam Jiten Admin Wahidur Rahman Secretary Organization ST Department ke Chairman Wungfum Raikhan General Secretary Protocol W Samjai Wangkem Soba Chairman Training Cell su sarukyaki
to the Singhai villages, and we want to save our MGNREGA, MGNREGA, and also is a part of the MGNREGA BACHAO SANGRAM. Our MPCC team went to different places of Singhai Assembly constituency, and also we reach out this Sinjaroi village. Here we meet all the villagers and village authority. It's a wonderful place and really happy to receive warmly by this village authority, and our MPCC team extends gratitude to the village authority. And also it's really a very beautiful place, and it's far away from Ukhrul district and also state capital Infa. And really when we meet the people of Sinjaroi village, really this chief of this village, Mr. Solomon, we also warmly welcome and supported to our team and cooperated to every activity that we are going forward for this campaign of the MGNREGA BACHAO SANGRAM 2.